In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Reels on Facebook page. We'll keep this simple and clear, so by the end you can confidently post a Reel that looks great and reaches the right audience. First, open Meta Business Suite. This is the hub for managing your Facebook page, and it keeps everything in one place. Make sure you're on the correct page if you manage more than one. You'll see options to create different types of content. This is where we'll start. Next, tap Create or the plus icon if you see that. From the creation options, choose Reel. This tells Facebook that you're posting short, vertical video content designed to be discovered and shared widely. Now it's time to add your video. You have two choices here. Tap the camera if you want to record right away. This is handy for quick, in-the-moment clips. Keep your phone steady, use good light, and frame vertically for the best results. Or tap the gallery to upload an existing video from your device. Pick a clip that's clear, engaging from the first few seconds, and ideally formatted in a vertical aspect ratio so it fills the screen nicely. When your video is selected or recorded, tap Next. This moves you into the details screen where you can fine-tune how your reel appears to viewers. Add your caption. Think of this as your short pitch. Lead with a clear hook so people immediately understand what they're about to watch. Keep it concise, use natural language, and add a couple of relevant keywords or simple hashtags if they help people find your content. You can also include a call to action in your caption, like inviting viewers to follow your page or watch to the end, as long as it's short and on topic. Now set your audience. Choose public. This is recommended for reach because it allows anyone on Facebook to discover your reel, not just people who already follow your page. Public visibility helps your content get recommended across surfaces like the Reels feed and your page's Reels tab, increasing the chance of new people finding you. When everything looks good, tap Share Reel. Your video will start uploading and processing. Depending on your connection and file size, this might take a moment. Once it's live, it will appear on your page, and you'll be able to see how it performs inside Meta Business Suite. That's it. Open Meta Business Suite, create, choose Reel, add your video, tap Next, write a clear caption, set the audience to public, and share. Follow these steps each time for a smooth, consistent posting routine. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.